Are you tired of the same old boring 9-to-5 desk job? I think we all are. Some of us may be made for corporate work, but I know some of us prefer having control over our own work period. That being said, I know that's why you're watching this video. Don't worry, you've come to the right place. In this video, I will be teaching you how you can earn a lot of money online while working from home and completely in control of your own work style and schedule. The steps are easy, simple, and 100% free, so you don't have to worry about investing any cash when it comes to starting in this type of work method. Most of all, the earning potential is insane. Depending on how much work you put in, you can earn up to $150 a day just by doing a few simple things. No matter where you are in the world, you can partake in the simple method that I'll be teaching you today. Make sure to follow along the steps carefully so that you don't get confused, because I will be showing you not one, not two, but 3 methods on how you can earn a lot of money in one website. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. Ring that notification bell and share this with all your friends so that you and everyone else will know of this great tip to earn money online. So let's get straight into it. The website I'll be showing you today is called Fiverr.com. I know some of you have already heard of this website, but don't worry. There are a lot of methods where you can earn money in this site without having to sell services yourself. Fiverr actually has some alternative money-making methods on their website that is way easier, yet nobody is talking about it. And so, I'll show you those 3 ways one by one right away. First way to make money on Fiverr is your typical seller option. You can make an account and start selling gigs, wherein you will become a freelancer for the website and earn money through people paying you for your services. This can be any kind of service, whether it's logo design, copywriting, voiceover work, or even just social media managing. Fiverr is a place where a variety of services are offered for employers, and you can be one of those people making money off of your own services. But of course, everybody already knows this. Fiverr is a popular freelancing website after all. So what if I tell you that you can make money off of Fiverr with just a few simple clicks without having to sell anything at all? Surprising, right? I know a lot of people don't know about these 2 features in Fiverr, so I'm going to teach you how to make use of it. And once again, it's very simple, easier than making your own gig and selling a service. In this trick, you'll have to transfer to an extension of Fiverr's website. So go to affiliates.fiverr.com and we will be earning money by joining as a Fiverr affiliate. Again, in this trick, you won't have to sell anything or become an influencer. All you have to do is drive traffic on the website and you can start earning big stacks of cash through commissions if you get people to use Fiverr services. It's very simple and easy. So you might be wondering, if it's such a simple task, would I even make a lot of money? The answer is 100% yes. Fiverr affiliates break down how much money you can earn through a page in their site. Click on the commission plan on the top bar and scroll down a bit. You will see the 2 methods that I will be showing you, Fiverr Cpa and Fiverr Hybrid. In Fiverr Cpa, you can earn $15 to $150 per project, while in Fiverr Hybrid, you can earn $10 plus 10% of the revenue from the project that you promote. So these 2 are the methods that I'm talking about. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. If you scroll down further, you can see the specific earnings for Fiverr Cpa. You can make $150 by promoting Fiverr Pro services, $50 for services like product design, data science, mobile apps, e-commerce development, and etc. You can make $40 by promoting website builders, video animation, web programming, etc. The list goes on from here on out. So just make sure to read them all clearly so you'll know exactly just how much money you will make per commission. Of course, if you're going to get started with Fiverr Cpa, we highly suggest that you promote Fiverr Pro because you can make $150 right away. So that's the first way to earn money in Fiverr through commissions. So now I'll explain Fiverr Hybrid. It's very simple. Instead of being paid per commission like in Fiverr Cpa, Fiverr Hybrid only pays you $10 no matter what kind of gig it is. But there is a but. You will be making passive income through rev share for 12 months. What does this mean? It means that every time someone buys from a gig that you promote, you will make 10% of the money paid to the creator. Though that may sound a little bit iffy at first, but take a look at all the gigs offered in Fiverr, specifically Fiverr Pro, found in fiverr.com/pro. As you can see, most of these services range from $100 up to $3,000, which means if you're able to promote something from Fiverr Pro, you can make more than what you can make from Fiverr Cpa, and this is continuous for 12 months. So, now that I've explained to you the two methods in Fiverr Affiliate, go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Start Earning Now. This will bring you to the affiliate program sign-up page where you can apply to start earning money through commissions. For the account type, you can just select private and it'll still be okay. Then just go ahead and do the normal routine. First name, last name, email address, create a username, a password, input your country, your preferred language, phone number, and if you want to, you can add your Skype address. After that, just click Next. It's super easy. By then, you can already start earning money on Fiverr affiliates right away without even having to do anything that requires a lot of effort, and you don't have to sell anything yourself. Now that I've walked you through everything, you can go ahead and start doing it on your own. Remember that a little time and effort goes a long way, so don't be afraid to start. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I'm able to help you find a new way to make some little income. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share this with your friends and be able to help out others too.